So this is the net heat per kg of steam, that is 2950 kilojoule per kg. Therefore the heat carried by the steam will be equal to this 2950 kg per kilojoule per kg into mass flow rate of this steam or H2O produced. We have produced around 1.1125 kg per minute. So multiplication of this comes around 332.88 kilojoule per minute. That much amount of heat is taken away by the steam. So heat taken away by this steam, heat taken away by the exhaust gas. In previous case we have computed this plus this plus this directly. Now we have to separate it out. So heat balance sheet. Heat balance sheet of this problem. As we know that on the left side, that is the Q supplied, heat balance sheet in kilojoule per minute. So heat supplied or the gross heat supplied by the fuel, it is given by mass flow rate of fuel into the CV value. Mass flow rate, we know that 5 by 60 kg per minute into CV value is 42,000 kilojoule per kg. So 3500 kilojoule per minute we are supplying the gross heat. Yes, that much amount of heat we are supplying. And this is the heat outlet or heat debited also we can say. So first component is the heat equivalent to brake power. We know that brake power produced, it is amount of brake power produced, it was 20.93 kilojoule per second. In 1 second this much amount of heat we are producing. So into 60, that much amount of heat we are getting per minute. So multiplication of this, we got 12558 kilojoule per minute. Second is heat taken away by this cooling water. M of this water, Cp of water into delta T of this water. Mass flow rate 7 into 35 degrees Celsius into 4.18. So 10 to 4.1 kilojoule per minute. Heat taken away by this cooling water, then heat taken away by the dry exhaust gas. We have calculated this heat taken away by the dry exhaust gas, 802.75 kilojoule per minute. Fourth component, heat taken away by the superheated steam in exhaust itself, 332.88 kilojoule per minute. And fifth component now, heat, which is unaccounted. Now heat supplied, that is Q supply minus first, second, is third plus fourth, 3500 minus 12558 plus 1024.1 plus 802.75 plus 332.88. So it remains with heat which is unaccounted 84.5 kilojoule per minute. Q unaccounted. So this is the heat balance sheet, including a heat taken away by this exhaust, consists of superheated steam and then dry exhaust gas. Previously we have calculated this combinedly. Now if the hydrogen percent in a fuel it is given, we have to calculate it separately. So this is the all about this heat balance sheet. Thank you. For any problem, please revert back. Thank you.